Hi, welcome again to another class. So why is this equal to this? Of course, we know that what this means is what power you're going to raise A to obtain B. So we can call that power, we can call that power, X. So we call that power X. So this whole thing now becomes A raised to the power X equal to B. So this X is more like a conversion factor that will give us B. We put it into this. So let us get into the class and do some practical examples of this. So if we have let's say 10 squared is equal to 100. We know that from the law of logarithm, what this means is that the log of 100 to base 10 is equal to 2. So we can write it this way: log to base 10 of 100 is equal to 2. Now, if we want to write this now in this form now, we can write, say, 10 raised to the power log to base 10 of 100. Now, what is this going to give us? It's going to give us 100, because we already know that this whole thing now is equal to 2 from here. So 10 raised to the power 2 is equal to 100. In the same way, we have something like 3 raised to the power 3 is equal to 27. What this means is that log to base 3 of 27 is equal to 3. So if we have something like, in this same fashion again, we have something like 3 raised to the power log 3 of 27. This will give us what? 27. Because from here we already know that this is equal to 3 from here. So this gives us 3 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 27. So following these two examples, you can see that this A raised to the power log to base A of B will be equal to B just the same way as 10 raised to the power log to base 10 of 100 will be equal to 100, and just the same way as log 3 raised to the power log to base 3 of 27 will be equal to 27. So this is the reason why we have this. Keep solving problems. Don't learn from them. Until next time. Bye bye.